Guten Tag, ich heiße Khushboo und ihr seht Deutsche Freundschaft. My name is Khushboo and you all are watching Deutsche Freundschaft. Today we are launching our very own new playlist, which means Weg mit den deutschen typischen Fehlern. And that means the typical mistakes one does in German language. And why are we launching this playlist? Because we don't want you to repeat those mistakes and make it a blunder. So, in this playlist, you will be getting on every Monday one video which tells you what mistake you should not repeat in German grammar. So without wasting the time, let's start the video. Fangen wir an. First is, bei der einfachen Jahreszahl steht keine Präposition. Bei der einfachen Jahreszahl. Now, what does it mean, einfachen Jahreszahl? It means just with the number. In the simple number, you don't have to use any preposition. Like, for example, you want to say, I was born in 2000, right? So, it's just the year 2000. You don't have a fixed date and you don't want to say in the year 2000. Instead, you just want to say in 2000. So in German, we don't use in. There is no such preposition. There is no preposition used when we talk about einfachen Jahreszahl. We simply say, Ich war 2000 geboren. And that is the right answer. So in will not be used. And that is the first mistake everyone does. Now let's move to the second thing that you have to make sure. Vor der Jahreszahl kann im Jahr stehen. That means in front of the Jahreszahl. That means in front of the year, you can. Kann means can. Im Jahr stehen. That means you can use im Jahr. For example, you can say, I was born in the year. And that in the year is called im Jahr. Right? So you can say, Albert Einstein war im Jahr 1955 gestorben. Albert Einstein was died in the year 1955. Or you can say Albert Einstein died in 1955. But there will be no in. It would be just the verb and then the simple number, as I told you in the last slide. Now, the third is, bei der Datumsangabe steht am. Now, what does it mean? It means with the dates, there is So, is used with the dates as well as with the days, as I told you. Am Montag, am Dienstag, am Mittwoch, am Donnerstag, right? So, same way, for example, ich habe mein Geburtstag am 30. Mai. So, there is a specific date, 30th March, right? So, we are going to use am. Also, dot implies STEN. Like in English, we have 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, so TH, right? Same ways, dot implies STEN. So when you say my birthday is on in any date, then STEN is added. For example, your birthday is on 21st, so you are going to say 21/6/10. That means dot. So STEN stands for, this dot stands for STEN. Now, ich habe mein Geburtstag am 30. März. I have my birthday on 30th March. There is another example. Am 24/6/10, because there is a dot. Am 24/6/10 Dezember ist Heiligabend. Ist Heiligabend. Heiligabend means Christmas Eve. So the evening before the Christmas, right? So it's a Christmas Eve. And this was the end. But there is a homework for you. Ergänzen Sie die Präposition, wo es notwendig ist. Ergänzen is to fill up the prepositions, wo es notwendig ist. Notwendig is necessary. So where it is required, you have to fill the prepositions. Now the prepositions we have learned in this lesson were im, Im and Im will be used when there is a word im Jahr. That means in the year. And will be used when there is a date, right? Or the day. So the first example, I'll be doing it for you people. Dash and 1498 entdeckte Columbus Amerika. Now, in this we'll not be using in, instead we'll not be using any preposition. Why? Because there is no such word called yaar. It's simply written in 1498 Columbus discovered America, right? And the next ones have to be done by you. Und herzlichen Dank. And this was the end of our video. I really hope that you like this video and this new playlist also. If you like this video and this playlist, please let me know in the comment section below. Also, please subscribe to our channel Deutschefreundschaft and share it with your family, friends, colleagues, cheating partner, examination partners, girlfriend, boyfriends, anyone you want to. So for today, auf Wiedersehen, auf Wiederhören und what's my favorite word? Ciao!